हेलो पेरेंट्स, आज हम देखेंगे नर्सरी या एलकेजी बच्चों को क्या क्या स्कूल में दिया जाता है। अगर आप नहीं भी भेज रहे हैं, डायरेक्ट आप एलकेजी में भेज रहे हैं तो बच्चे को ये आना चाहिए। ठीक है, ABCDEFG HIJK LMNOP QRS TUV WX YNG. Now I know my ABC. Next time, now I learn my ABC. Now practice beginning letter sounds. Okay, say the name of the picture and circle the letter that matches the beginning sound. Okay, this is the picture of a banana, so B for banana. B for banana, beginning letter is B. Now coming to apple, A for apple. Coming to third picture, carrot, C for carrot. Now coming to fourth picture, watermelon, W for watermelon. Now coming to fifth picture, lemon, L for lemon. G for grapes, F for fig. S for strawberry. P for pineapple. Now coming to letter picture match. So left hand side there are letters and in the right hand side there are pictures. Now we are going to match. D for dog. B for ball. F for fish. C for cat. A for apple. Follow me in FB for more worksheets like this. Same or different. Cross out the picture that is different from the rest. In the first row there are 4 strawberries which are same and 1 banana, so banana is different. In second row there are 4 pears and 1 apple.
4 pears, yes.
Now coming to third row, 1 cherry and 4 grapes and 1 strawberry, 4 melons. Now draw a line to connect each picture with its other half. See the flower, this is only the half, join the other half. The football, join the other half. It's a car, so join the other half. Now coming to sun, join the other half. Now coming to draw a line to match the opposite words. Wet, dry, sick, well, more, less. So there are more opposite words. You can check in the description box. Skip counting by 2s. Cut and paste the numbers to show counting by 2s. Use the cherries to help you count. Okay, the first line 1 and 2 cherry, then another 2 cherry means 2 plus 2 is 4, another 2 cherry means 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, another 2 cherries means 6, then 7 8, then 8, then 9 10, another 2 cherries means 11 12, then 13 14, then 15 16, 17 18, 19 20. Now coming to color sorting. Connect the pictures to the box with their matching color. Okay, apple is red in color. Okay, now carrot is orange in color. Now it's the picture of a hat that is green in color, and it is a brinjal, so purple in color. It's a t-shirt, blue in color. Are you enjoying? And then please like, share and subscribe. I know my shapes. Color the pictures using the code. Count the shapes and fall objects. So there are fall objects like acorn and pumpkin.
Yes.
Okay. So color, then count. Okay. Now count the acorns. How many acorns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now coming to triangle. So how many triangles? 3 triangles. Now coming to square. Only 1 square. So we can write here 1. Now coming to rectangle. How many rectangles? There are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so there are 4 rectangles. We can write here 4. And how many circles? 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write 3 circles. Okay, now coming to next. Okay, second picture. So color, then count. Pumpkin we are going to color orange. Triangle we are going to color yellow. Square we are going to color green. Rectangle we are going to color blue. And circle we are going to color red. Now coming to how many pumpkins? There are 5 pumpkins. Triangles, how many triangles? There are 3 triangles. Now coming to square, how many squares? There are 3 squares. And rectangle, we are going to count rectangles. 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle, 4 rectangle and 5 rectangles. There are 5 rectangles. Now coming to circle, how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.